Good morning, good people. Good morning. It's game day. Getting ready for game day. We got a big game today. Got my game face on. Now we're doing an extension. Gonna do this real quick. Running out of time. I'm wearing a hat today, so I gotta hang it low. I can show you how to put these extensions in with shorter hair. You don't have to have long hair either. Just putting that out there. Got some videos out there I'm gonna be putting out. Stay tuned for that. Getting in the way. Remember, this is for costume purposes, so not everyday use, so we don't have to be perfect. Just trying to get these extensions in there. Call these side bangs. Go back and check out the videos. I showed you how to do the eyeshadow and the blush, the glitter blush. We're going big. Go big or go home. We're going big and dark today. That'll dry up. Remember, wearing a hat today. That's the reason why I'm putting this on, and I will pull it back. I don't want it too tight. What you think?